How to earn free rides with Bolt referral program. Want to score free rides on Bolt? Here's how the referral program works. First, open the Bolt app and tap your profile icon or the main menu. Find and invite friends or refer and earn. You'll see your unique referral link or code. Share it with friends through messages or social media. When your friend signs up using your link and complete their first ride, you both earn rewards or ride credits. You can track your referral bonuses under the same section to see who's doing it and how much you have earned. Keep sharing your code. The more friends you invite, the more free rides you unlock. Ever earned a free ride through Bolt referrals? Drop your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can earn free rides with Bolt referral program. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.